Deleting photos from iCloud can be crucial for privacy. While iCloud can be tricky to navigate, it's possible to delete photos. Way 1. How to delete photos from iCloud in Photos app. Delete iCloud photos from iPhone or iPad. Open Photos app, find Photo, tap it, hit trash icon, confirm delete from iCloud on all devices. Clean iCloud photos on Mac. Open the Photos app on your Mac. Find the photo you want to delete. Right-click and select Delete One Photo. Select the image and select Delete One Photo from the menu bar. Double-click to open the photo and press the Delete key. Way 2. How to remove photos from iCloud via iCloud.com.to. Delete one photo from iCloud on the web. Sign into iCloud. Open Photos. Select Photo. Tap Delete icon. Confirm deletion. To delete multiple photos from iCloud on the web, select First Photo. Hold Command-Control on Windows or Linux for more, or hold Shift for a group. Click Delete in upper right. Confirm deletion. Way 3. How to delete photos from iCloud but not iPhone. Open Settings. Tap Photos. Toggle off iCloud Photos. Remove low-res duplicates if prompted. Tap Download Photos and Videos to restore originals. Bonus: How to recover deleted photos from iCloud. You can easily recover deleted photos from iCloud. All you need is a professional iOS data recovery tool, Mobican Doctor for iOS. It can not only recover data from iCloud or iTunes backup without resetting your device, but also recover deleted data. To recover deleted photos from iCloud with Doctor for iOS, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the Recover from iCloud mode. Step 2. The Sync photos from iCloud. Step 3. Start to get photos from iCloud.